significant impact in the SEIS needs to be mitigated, needs to be funded. Economic impact, less than significant impact. In other words, it's not fair, it's not balanced. The cost we're going to pay to host everybody else that comes along with the impact, to school them, to arrest them, to put them in jail, to treat them at the hospital. It's going to cost us more money than the economic taxes that we're going to collect. It's in the SEIS. It's not fair, ladies and gentlemen. It's not balanced, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're saying here. That's what these people are telling you. Telling me. Ladies and gentlemen, the military now tells us we got 60 days to tell them to decide and choose from the alternatives they give us. And when we say we don't like those alternatives, then they say, come up with your own. Well, I'll tell you what, give $5 million as a sole source contract to We Are Guahan, and we'll help you. We'll help We Are Guahan. We'll help them give the alternatives that we want, like no 50 caliber machine gun range. Solves 90% of the problem. But they don't want that. Why? Because they said back there, said, why do you need to have everything in the way? Convenience. Why can't you shoot 50 caliber in Okinawa? So that when you need to train for 50 caliber, you take the Marines from here, you put them in Okinawa. Why can't? Because it's not convenient.